I started working and doing research on AI before it was cool. I came with this drive after completed my PhD and my postdoc, was ready to build, and then I was hitting the concrete wall of bureaucracy, of tediousness, of slowness. This eager needed to burst in another way. And I looked around and AI was just starting to blossom. This was the burst of human creativity. This is what I thought as the burst of human creativity in those days. And this is what I decided to do. But deep inside, I wanted to bring it home to engineering. Even before it was very clear, but I knew that this is the best new tool, probably. So I went all in, and eventually we closed the loop. We connected the dots in bringing AI into our home field, mechanical engineering. When the paper about transformers was published, which is the underlying technology behind LLMs, behind ChatGPT, etc., when it was published, when the technology was mature enough, we knew that this is the right time. We didn't know even what's the first problem that we're going to tackle, but we realized that it's wide enough, it understands the world well enough, and this is when Moti and I looked at each other and said, this is the time to start.